Welcome back to Dynamic Piano Academy. In this video of our new series, I'm teaching you the first of 3 original pieces I've composed to show you exactly what the right hand can do with boogie bass pattern number 1. If you haven't seen my original video on this boogie pattern yet, click on the link right here and watch that first. Now, these 3 pieces are designed to give you practical ideas of incorporating melodic licks over the bass line. In music, a lick is just a short little musical phrase used to complement a melody or a bass line. Today, we are mastering lick number 1. I've actually broken this whole series down into 3 separate professional PDF guides, so you can focus on one lick at a time. You can grab the entire 12-page bundle right now for only $1. That's less than 10 cents a page for professional notation. See the first link in the description below to purchase my 12-page bundle from my PayHip store. When you grab this for just $1, you get 3 individual PDF masterclasses, one for each lick that we will cover in this series. Now, let's get to the keys. The first thing that I suggest that you do is to learn the left hand so well that you don't even have to think about it. The left hand must be solid, it must be like a rock, just there the whole time. Because when you start putting the right hand together with the left hand, you mustn't have to think about the left hand. The main thing must be your right hand. It's a very simple pattern in the right hand. First of all, you're going to start with a double note, which is the E to the C, which is a 6 apart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to imitate what the left hand is doing. Remember, the left hand is this. So the right hand's going to do this. Okay, so the right hand's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all it is. It's the C and the E. Then you're going to repeat it in the second line. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do exactly the same pattern, but in the F position. So the left hand's going to go. Then the left hand's going to move to the F position. And you want to do exactly the same thing with the right hand. So the right hand's going to move from there. It's going to move up to there. Okay, and you're going to do exactly the same pattern. It's going to be the A and the F, and then you're going to imitate the left hand. Okay, so it's going to be. Now you're only going to do that once. Then you're going to come back down to the C position. Now you're going to move your hand all the way up to there, keeping the same position, which is going to be a B and a G. And the left hand is going to go from the C position to the G position. So it's going to be, okay. Okay, so let me do that again. Remember, we're going to start the right hand on the E and then the C. Keep that going for 8 beats. Then you're going to move to the F position. Then you're going to stay there because it's the C position. Then you're going to move up. So when you finish this F position, the right hand's going to move down in steps. Then you're going to have like a little tail end of this section. So you're going to go 3 on the E, thumb on the E natural, thumb under, and then you're going to start the whole process again from the beginning. And you're going to start again. and so on. And basically you play the whole thing over again. So I'm going to do this very slowly for you so that you can actually follow me. And then we start all over again, and we do the whole thing, the whole pattern again, moving from the C position play. So I'm going to keep the left hand going with the left hand pattern, the boogie bass pattern 1, but I'm going to obviously play the right hand. So you're going to go from the, now it doesn't sound so nice when you play it slow. You actually got to play it at quite a nice, a steady tempo. I'm going to do this very last line. Slow down a little bit at the end, and that's basically the ending. And this chord that I'm playing here is a C6 chord, okay, because you're playing a C, but you're playing it at the top, you're playing the E, the G of the chord, and you're playing an A, which is the 6th note of the C major scale, and that's how you end. It's a really nice way to end. It's sort of like a little jazzy sort of addition to the ending. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the whole piece through with the left hand and the right hand. So let's go for it. Are we ready? On this part here, when you end, where you're ending, it's very, very important to use the third finger and move the thumb under. If I do that, I can do that as well, but it just doesn't feel right. It's better to end up with your thumb on the C, then I can come down on the 4th, and then I can play my C6 chord. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. It just flows better, okay, than using a 2. Okay, that is lick number 1 finished. Practice it until it's locked in with that bass. Remember, the bass needs to be like a rock. It's just there the whole time. Next time, what we're going to do is we're going to be stepping up with lick number 2, which adds some of that classic boogie energy to it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on licks number 2 and number 3. I'll see you at the keys, and happy practicing.